Hello everyone, welcome to the SAM, that is Study Art Motivation and Education. And in this video we are going to discuss about the periodontal ligament. It's one of the very important lecture for periodontics. Okay, so periodontal ligament, it is between bone and the tooth. For example, this is your tooth. Okay, this is your tooth. Okay, and there you have a bone. Okay, your alveolar bone. ओके, तो एल्वियोलर बोन से आपके टूथ को जो बाउंड करके रखता है उन्हें यू से दी पेरियोडोंटल लिगामेंट्स. ओके, सो इन्हें हम पेरियोडोंटल लिगामेंट कहते हैं. एंड दिस पेरियोडोंटल लिगामेंट्स आर ग्लास इन शेप. One of the question asked in NEET MDS. Okay, and periodontal ligament is also known as desmodont, comphosis, alveodental ligament and dentoperiosteum. Okay, अगर आप अच्छे से इन वर्ड्स को पढ़ो so you will get to know कि बहुत easy है इन्हें रिमेंबर करना. Okay, now coming to the very important question, that is what is the average width of periodontal ligament. The average width of periodontal ligament is 0.20 mm. Okay, and with increasing age the periodontal ligaments get decreased, and with your trauma from occlusion, scleroderma and osteosarcoma it increases. Okay, and it is very thin. It is thin in the middle portion, that is the fulcrum of the rotation. Okay, now one question has been asked, that is what is the fulcrum of rotation. Fulcrum of rotation is the thin portion in the middle of the PDL. Okay, coming to the composition of the periodontal ligament. Now composition, it is of two types. Okay, cellular and the extracellular. In cellular we have fibroblast, osteoblast, osteoclast, cementoclast, epithelial cells of cell rest of Melasses, mesenchymal cells, mast cells, macrophages. Okay, and in fibroblast is one of the very important principal cellular component of periodontal ligament, because this fibroblast help in collagen biosynthesis, and it also presence of actin fiber and shape changes. It also helps in the shape changes of the periodontal ligament, and due to which the actin fibers are also present. Coming to the extracellular. So in extracellular you have water fibers like collagen. Type 1 collagen fiber is the principal fiber here, and the ground substances, for example proteoglycans, glycosamine glycan, glycoprotein and polysaccharide. Okay, now coming to the fibers, the very important part here. Type 1 collagen fiber is the most important fiber, and type 1 collagen fiber ऐसा collagen fiber है which is present in every tissue of the body. Okay, so अगर आपको नहीं पता है कि कहाँ पर कौन सा टाइप का कोलेजन पाया जाता है, तो टाइप 1 तो आप बोल ही सकते हो, बिकॉज टाइप 1 इज प्रेजेंट इन एवरीवेयर. ओके, now coming to the fibers, there are two types of fibers, immature and the indifferent fiber plexus. Indifferent fiber plexus, it forms a network. Okay, and it is also known as intermediate plexus, where the fibers are arising from the cementum and the bone, and it helps in rapid remodeling of the fibers. Okay, coming to the immature fibers. Immature fibers are two types, illumin and reticular type 3 collagen, and this illumin have elastin and the oxytocin. This is the very important thing, because इससे क्वेश्चन आते हैं. ठीक है, तो ये आपका हो गया पेरियोडोंटल लिगामेंट का कंपोजिशन एंड जनरल इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट द पेरियोडोंटल लिगामेंट. ओके, तो पेरियोडोंटल लिगामेंट में हमने क्या क्या पढ़ा. सबसे पहले पेरियोडोंटल लिगामेंट कहाँ पर प्रेजेंट होता है, बिटवीन द एल्वियोलर बोन एंड द टूथ. क्या करने का काम करता है कि पेरियोडोंटल लिगामेंट पकड़ के रखता है टूथ को, एल्वियोलर बोन में बाउंड करके रखता है. इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज डेस्मोडोंट, कॉम्फोसिस, एल्वियोडेंटल लिगामेंट एंड द डेंटोपेरियोस्टियम. एवरेज विड्थ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, इट इज 0.20 mm. ओके, एंड कंपोजिशन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दो तरह का कंपोजिशन है, सेलुलर, एक्स्ट्रा सेलुलर, जिसमें सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है, फाइब्रोब्लास्ट. ओके, टाइप 1 कोलेजन फाइबर होता है. दो तरह के फाइबर्स पाए जाते हैं, इमेच्योर एंड इंडिफरेंट. इमेच्योर वी हैव illumin, and the reticular type 3. And indifferent fiber plexus helps in rapid remodeling of the fibers. Okay, very important. And one more thing is there, that is fibronectin helps fibroblast to attach with collagen. Okay, so एक क्वेश्चन आता है आपके पीजी में, ये क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है कई बार, दैट which one of the following helps the fibroblast to attach with the collagen in periodontal ligament? So fibronectin is the one which helps the fibroblast to attach with the collagen. Okay, so you have to remember this. This is all about it. This is for this video. In the next video we'll discuss more about the periodontal ligament. Okay, and we have already discussed about the function of the periodontal ligament. Okay, so if you haven't seen that video, I'll give the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video helps you in your academics, and if it does, then I would be really grateful. And thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.